Welcome, folks. We have birds again. If it wasn't for that dickhead with the lawnmower there, you might be able to hear, but they're making sounds. Like they're going, eh. Actually, if you can hear that, yeah, they're doing it right now. I don't know why they're doing it, folks. Strange. Birds are strange animals. Even though they're supposed to be a part of the dinosaur group, which I don't agree with, but at any rate, they are. Alright. Not sure if you can hear that, but I'm trying to talk so you can hear it. I don't know why they're making that noise. This is strange. Very strange indeed. I mean, this is weird. This is very weird. I don't know why they're making this nonsense. But because you're still, oh, there's thunder. I just saw that light there, but yeah, let's gonna do it for the episode. I would just film that. Huh. Birds. Not enough for Bird Town. There has to be like a whole group or a whole flock of them for Bird Town. But subscribe, leave a like and comment if you wish, and adios.